And look at this view. It's called Skyline Drive. Reason. Look at all you could see. As far as I can see. I guess you can see the curvature of the earth, as my wife would say. So over here, so this dinosaur park was from 1936. It predates Mount Rushmore. Here's the Protoceratops with eggs. And then primitive type of horned dinosaur found only in Mongolia, but a similar kind live in North America, late Cretaceous, 95 million years ago.
We have a toy of that.
Yeah.
Oh, Remy, come on.
Dimetrodon is not a dinosaur. A flesh-eating reptile which lived long before any of the true dinosaurs shown here. Most specimens found in Texas, age early Permian, 260 million years ago. These are more closely related to mammals. Here it says Dinosaur Park Visitor Center, established 1936.
Main attraction.
Yeah.
Well, this is the song from. Yeah, and paint it.
That probably would be cheaper too. Like $300.
Yeah.
It says.
The tires look okay. The front tires look a little. Oh, it's not my car.
It was like the tires look a little weird. No.
Are they staying or going? I thought maybe they're coming to see. National Register of Historic Places. Dinosaur Park, City of Rapid City, 1936.
This is a WPA thing. This is a WPA thing.
What's WPA?
Weird.
Oh. Who's that?
I told you about that yesterday.
They're like, we're gonna make dinosaurs.
Maybe this is WPA.
So that you guys. You got no crap on me?
Hi. When you're like filming, it looks almost like the dinosaurs walking.
Oh, it says like names.
Parkosaurus, Brachiosaurus, Microraptor. These must be new because these are about the 70s. So.
Rummy.
He's probably already up there. Or is he behind us?
What the heck? Where are you guys going?
curvature of the Earth. Well, which way is that? If the sun is setting over there, so Wyoming would be that way, to the west, because the sun sets in the west. So this way might be, I don't know, Minnesota? I don't know.
Oh my. These are weird.
Yeah, these are goofy looking dinosaurs.
Our slash for single dinosaur. Look at the T-Rex. It looks like a smiley.
Doo-doo-doo. Black-eyed Susan's here. Oh, this is a duck-billed dinosaur. Probably when they built it, they call it Tractodon, and has a different name now. Oh, we could have walked up here. Why do we go?
Oh, don't cry.
On my camera, it's gonna be play the game. Find a roomie.
Tractodon.
Go back up there.
The Edmontosaurus. Or a Natosaurus. Oh, here's the statue.
This one to realize what it was.
What? 30 feet long and 14 feet tall.
Kids on the tail. I think for that big guy, I'm just airplane. What is that? I think for that
That's
big
an
guy,
airplane.
I think that's an airplane.
It is an airplane. It's not a UFO.
Oh, it looks weird. That one's an airplane. Oh, okay. Please go up. It's like I cannot look.
So these are not the dinosaurs from Pee-wee's Big Adventure.
No, those are like, I don't know,
This way, let's see here.
I think they repainted the dinosaur when Paul Rubens died.
Yeah.
These Big Adventure dinosaurs. Tarzan, California.
Mhm. I guess we should take a picture in front of all of them.
Yeah. That's why we're here.
Yeah, they repainted it to look like Pee-wee.
Yeah.
When
Wow.
Rubens died.
What?
The dinosaurs in Pee-wee's Big Adventure, they repainted the T-Rex after.
Yeah.
Just go somewhere and I'll take a picture of you.
Eyes fell out and
Uh-oh.
There was a year old when these were made.
Really?
Yeah. He had big fangs. Oh, look at his goofy eyes.
Yeah, he needs dentures. What does that mean?
I mean, that was
Like
in
what they believed they were.
1934. Not what it looks like today.
Now it's this. Oh. And now on that.
Meaning what they used to believe, scientists used to believe.
Thank you, comic dude.
Thank you, dinosaur guy.
Oh no.
What?
Why?
What's wrong?
You're gonna really be mad.
Hotel's far.
It's far and it's far from Wall Drug. Okay.
How far is it from Wall Drug?
If it's more than 2 hours, then that will be upsetting. But
Can we? And are we? Did we pay for it already?
Last one there, then
Yeah,
we'll go.
but we can cancel it. It's 40 minutes.
Let's.
Backtrack though.
How do I get?
oh, my camera. Hang on.
Okay, let me get onto.
Sal, get in the picture too.
No.
Alright, Abe.
Photos of the dino.
Say that.
Okay.
Yeah, I think so. Let's take a picture of everybody in front of this. Solomon and Abe and Peggy, get in a picture. We'll take a picture in front of this Triceratops.
Up, Rabbi. Come.
You get the whole Triceratops or the face of it in?
I got a good photo of it.
Hey.
We'll send that to Monster Bash.
I think I've been taking pretty good photos of the dinosaurs. I think this is like the only friend I got. Okay, so the T-Rex does have some. I think the worst one is this one. Worst photo I took was this God, looking at these from the front is so bizarre. Look at these rocks. They crazy. Like, I just can't figure out. One of my sides is like
This is the last dino.
Yeah.
The mother of them all.
Brontosaurus. tail.
Hello.
They said what it was, something a Native American thing. You got us?
Yeah.
Okay, now I gotta get onto one of these plates and just hold on for dear life.
Fine, look, Rebbe. For this one. Just pose. Just pose.
The dinos. Here's
Whoa. Whoa.
I like this one. It's very
Yeah.
cinematic. From I cannot stay up